All right, logical ands and logical ors. They're extremely important to programming, and they're also important to your program number 2 that is assigned now. Let's just jump right into this. This is a really short little program, but I think it explains what a logical or is. Basic shell IOStream using namespace, int main, return 0. Right? I declare an integer variable num1 and assign it a 1. All right, this is the important line right here, the one that I think that explains it the best. Right? The 2 up and down lines means or. All right? So if num1 equals, and this is the comparison operator because it's 2 equal signs. It's going to compare what you have assigned to num1 to 1, what you've assigned to num1 with 2, and what you've assigned num1 with 3. So just follow along as I walk you through this. This says if num1 equals 1, or if num1 equals 2, or if num1 equals 3, it's going to see out success. So there's 3 different scenarios with this. Num1 can be 1, 2, or 3, and it's going to, if it's one of any one of those 3, it's going to see out success, right? Else, it's going to see out failure. So this is written correctly. So I'm going to run this, but I want you to see. We've assigned it a 1, so it's going to see out success because num1 does equal 1. Success. There we go. Now let's change num1 to 2. All right. Again, this should see out success because num1 here right in the middle equals 2. It just has to meet one of these 3 things because I've put in an or operator. It's going to, if it's this or this or this, right? This if statement's going to be true and it's going to see out success. Success. Just go through all these so you can see. Int num3, success. Now I'm going to change int num1 to something we know that's not going to work. I'm going to change it to 0. We're going to run it, and we should get failure because num1 is 0, which doesn't meet any of these 3 conditions. Failure. That's what we wanted. And just to do another one, let's do 4. Failure. So this or operator is really, when you have choices that has to be made, it's really powerful. In the next video, I'm going to do ands, but I guess I just want you to see that this or operator gives you the choice, allows num1 to be 1, 2, or 3, and that will give you a true statement, which will allow you to use the if then else.